Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add invitations to your calendar on the Google Calendar application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the settings icon that you can find in the upper left corner of the screen. Now scroll down till you find this settings section, click on it, then click on general. Scroll down till you find this adding invitations section or function, click on it. Now if you tap on the add invitations to my calendar option, you will be able to select from everyone only if the sender is known or when I respond to the invitation in email. So tap on the relevant one, then click on OK. So now you will be able to add invitations to your calendar only if the sender is known. As you can see, you can also learn more about protecting your calendar from spam down below. If you click on this button, then you will be directed to a page where you can read more about this topic. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.